Converting your layers into smart objects is something that most creatives do, including myself. It preserves the quality of the image or the layer that you have converted into a smart object. Stick and stay as I show you how to do this in Affinity. I uploaded a video on how to use clipping marks in Affinity, and I had a comment from Prince Bawa. I don't know if I got the name right, and he said, how do I do smart objects in Affinity? Prince, if you are watching this video, this answers your question, and also to all beginners, this is also for you. So when you look at this image right here, you can see I have converted it into smart objects, and this is in Photoshop. All right, so when I double click here, it opens this pop-up for me, and if I make any changes here, it's going to reflect here. So if I turn this off and I Control S, you can see it's off. So that is basically the work of smart objects in Photoshop. If you don't know how to convert a layer into smart objects in Photoshop, this is how you do it. So for example, if I want to convert this shape right here into smart object, you make sure the layer is selected, and then you right click, and then you see the option here, convert to smart object, then you just click it. So it creates this embedded folder here. So when I double click this, I can make any changes here. Let's get started with Affinity. I'm using this flyer design I did to explain to you how to create a smart object. All right, so I want to create a smart object for this banana here. The layer is locked, so let me unlock it. Make sure the layer is selected, then you Control C to copy. Creating a smart object in Affinity is quite different from Photoshop. Make sure the layer for the banana is selected, and then we click on File, and then we click on New. So let's create a new document, and then let's paste the image here. The next thing to do is to Control Save or Save As. Okay, so we have saved it, so let's return to the flyer design. And then the next step is to place the image here. So you select File and you click on Place. Okay, so right here you can see we have embedded document. So this is the convert to smart object procedure in Photoshop. All right, so when I move here, you see pixel.af, so I can double click here, and then it opens this pop-up for me. So this is where I can change anything, and when I change anything here, it's going to reflect in the main composition. All right, let's change the color for the banana. So let me change it to this color, and then Control S. So you can see we have the green color for the banana. All right, so we can visit this side anytime we want to make any changes. Okay, so there you have it. So you see the changes now. Okay, so this is the simplest way to convert your layer into a smart object in Affinity. If you found this video helpful, I want you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.